I have the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to completely unpair your phone from a certain Wi-Fi network. So to do that, simply go to the Wi-Fi settings. You can either access through the quick setting tiles. Just scroll down from the top and then tap on this little arrow next to Wi-Fi and then tap on more. That takes you to the Wi-Fi settings page. Alternatively, you can go into settings and then tap on Wi-Fi. Either way, it takes you to this page. So find the Wi-Fi network you want to completely forget. Now, I can do it for currently connected Wi-Fi network. So just tap on the eye icon on the right hand side and then tap on forget and then remove this Wi-Fi network. So confirm by tapping on remove, and that's going to completely remove that particular Wi-Fi network from your phone. You can also do this for Wi-Fi networks that you had previously connected to. So this would be saved Wi-Fi passwords. So if you tap on the three dot button at the top and then select more settings and then tap on saved networks, you can actually see all the networks you had previously connected to, and you can just tap on any of them and then also unpair or forget or completely remove by tapping on forget and then confirming remove. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.